What if Lamborghini, the brand known for extreme speed and bold design, decided to create a motorhome? Not just an RV, but a true luxury home on wheels infused with unmistakable supercar DNA. The Lamborghini Motorhome concept redefines travel by blending aggressive design, premium comfort, and an unstoppable presence on the road. From the outside, this motorhome looks nothing like a traditional camper. Sharp angles, aerodynamic body lines, carbon fiber accents, and signature LED lighting give it a powerful, futuristic identity. It feels more like a Lamborghini hypercar than a mobile home, and even when parked, it commands attention and turns heads everywhere it goes. Step inside, and luxury takes center stage. The cockpit-inspired driver area features advanced digital displays, premium leather, Alcantara finishes, and ambient lighting that creates an authentic supercar atmosphere. The living space feels like a modern luxury apartment with intelligent layouts, hidden storage, panoramic windows, and seamless smart technology. The kitchen is minimalist yet fully equipped with premium appliances, while the bathroom delivers a spa-like experience through elegant materials and modern lighting. In the bedroom, first-class comfort awaits, designed for total relaxation, whether parked under city lights or deep in nature. Performance is just as important as luxury. Powered by a high-torque engine, advanced suspension, and intelligent driving modes, this motorhome offers smooth, long-distance cruising with confidence and control. It's built for freedom, comfort, and dominance on the open road. A Lamborghini motorhome isn't made for everyone. It's for those who demand exclusivity, power, and luxury without limits. With an estimated price reaching into the millions, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. If Lamborghini ever brings this vision to life, one thing is certain: luxury travel will never be the same again. If you enjoyed this concept, like the video, subscribe, and tell us, would you drive a Lamborghini motorhome?